Hey kids, I know sometimes the world can feel a little scary and stressful. Sometimes there are loud noises and things happen make our heart feel heavy and we cry. But today I'm showing you something small, sweet and powerful. A tiny dessert that can bring a little sunshine back into your day. And guess what? It's super easy. No one can take it away from you. No oven, no baking. Just your hands and a little bit of love. First, here's what we need. We need banana, cocoa powder, honey, peanut butter, oats, and something colorful for the dog. Use your hands to mix everything together. Yes, your hands. Squish it, smash it, roll it. It's just like playing with slime. While you're mixing, put on some calm and peaceful music. Take a deep breath. Feel the texture. Listen to the music. Let your worries melt away with every squeeze. Now, you're creative, strong, and safe. You can create something with your own hand. No one can take it away from you. And that is powerful. You create joy. When everything is mixed, put it in the fridge to become firm and then